Hey guys, welcome you to our channel TrustLogics Tutorials. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss on a very important topics companies that are hiring for tech jobs. So, number 1 is Samsung Electronics America. Samsung is at the forefront of innovation, developing technologies that bring people together. As a global company founded in South Korea, Samsung's dynamic multicultural environment stretches its employees to break down barriers and create a more connected world. For decades, Samsung's forward thinking and diverse teams have pushed humanity ahead, from cutting edge home appliances and entertainment systems to mobile and the advancement of 5G. And all of the discoveries still to come. People who work at Samsung see every challenge. So number 2 is MUFG. MUFG Union Bank NA is a proud member of the Mitsubishi UFG Financial Group, one of the world's largest financial organizations with total assets of approximately $2.8 trillion as of March 31, 2019. They operate 351 branches consisting primarily of Union Bank, retail banking branches in West Coast states, along with commercial branches in Texas, Illinois, New York, and Georgia. Now we will move to the next, Captech. Captech transforms how technology, data, and systems can grow efficient successful businesses. They optimize innovative technology to create a positive impact for their clients and communities. Their people are their difference, and they believe that great impact is made when their people feel energized and valued for the strengths. So now going the next, BREX. Number 4, BREX. It is the reimagining financial system. So every growing company can realize their full potential. New customers can get started in minutes with corporate credit cards, cash management, and can expect to save hours every month with built-in tools and integrations to track, spend, and earn money on every card purchase. BREX promotes a culture of trust that enables individuals to operate autonomously while maintaining an incredible pace of growth. People who want to accelerate their careers and ramp up their skills are sure to find what they are looking for. Now, BREX has committed to being a remote-first company, which allows employees to optimize their time. So now moving to the next number 5 is Meta. The Facebook company is now Meta. Meta builds technologies that help people connect, find communities, and to grow the businesses. When Facebook launched in 2004, it changed the way people connect. Different apps we have seen like Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp further empowered billions around the world. And now Meta is moving beyond 2D screens towards immersive experiences like augmented and virtual reality to help build the next evolution in the social technology. Meta is one of the biggest company in the world associated with the top platform. So now we will move to the next, number 6, that is the Washington Post. The Washington Post is an award-winning news leader whose mission is to connect, inform, and enlighten local, national, and global readers, to enlighten them with trustworthy reporting, in-depth analysis, and engaging opinions. The Post is as much a tech company as it is a media company, combining world class journalism with the latest technology and tools so readers can interact with the Post anytime, anywhere. So that's all for today. And our approach is always the same: shape ideas, redefine speed, take ownership, and lead. So we will meet in our next video. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.